In this video, I'll show you how to book cheap flight tickets using a VPN and how people save hundreds, even thousands of dollars just by changing their virtual location. If you've ever noticed flight prices suddenly increasing after searching the same route a few times, or different prices showing in different regions, this method will fix that. And if you don't already have a VPN, you can use the link in the description to get NordVPN at a great price. Airlines and flight booking websites track your IP address, your location, and even your search history. Based on that, they show different prices to different users. But with a VPN, you can change your virtual location and check flight prices as if you're in another country, often getting a much cheaper deal. The VPN I personally recommend for this is NordVPN. It's fast, secure, and has thousands of servers worldwide, which makes it perfect for finding the region with the lowest flight price. If you don't already have it, just click the link in the description to create an account. Once you sign up, install NordVPN on your device, whether it's your laptop, PC, phone, or tablet. After installation, open NordVPN and log in. You'll see a map with server locations, and from here you can choose the country you want to connect to. Before you start checking flight prices, clear your browser, cookies, and cache. This part is extremely important because flight websites use cookies to track your past searches, and they increase prices when they see repeated interest. After clearing cookies, open NordVPN and connect to a country where prices are usually cheaper. Some good starting points are India, Mexico, Brazil, Turkey, or Southeast Asian countries. But you can test other regions too. It depends on your route. Now open your preferred flight booking site like Google Flights, Skyscanner, Kayak, or your airline's own website and search for your route. Check the price. If it still seems high, disconnect from the current server. Connect to another country, refresh the site, and search again. Repeat this process with a few different regions. You'll often find big differences, sometimes hundreds of dollars, just by switching locations. If you finally find a good price while connected to a specific country, go ahead and book the flight. Just make sure to keep the VPN connected throughout the entire booking process. Otherwise, the price may change or the site might refresh your region. Also, make sure that your payment method works for that region. Most international cards work fine, but it's something to keep in mind. This method works best if you start searching early and have flexibility in travel dates. Prices change depending on the day of the week and time of day, so trying multiple VPN locations gives you a much broader view of the cheapest available fares. And that's it. This is how you can save huge amounts on flight tickets using a VPN. If you want the fastest speeds, the most stable servers, and the best results when switching locations, make sure to get NordVPN using the link in the description.